Good day to you all, hope you're well. Welcome to another video. It's good to be back again. This time we are making fish and chips. Oh yes, nothing like fish and chips. We're going to use bird's eye battered fish fillets, which I shall now show you. To just like that, okay. 2 battered fish fillets, 100% fillet fish for good. Fish for good. Okay, 239 calories per fillet, if you want to know that. And if you want to put it in the oven, it's going to take 20 minutes on 220 degrees Celsius in a fan oven 200. And in the gas oven, it's going to take gas max oven for 20 minutes. But now you can put them in the air fryer. Alternatively, air fryer from freezer. I love the way these products are now putting air fryer instructions on as well. And it's going to take 16 to 18 minutes in the air fryer, 180 degrees. Place product in basket. Okay, and place in the air fryer. Turn over halfway through cooking. Cook until crisp and golden. Allowed to stand for 1 minute. So we're going to make some chips as well. Now the chips we've already got here, I've been soaking them in some water for a little while. And I shall make them into chips so they can go into the air fryer. So get another bowl. Find my colander. And there's a cauldron then. Well, let's get this into the bowl. Cauldron. Yeah, right. Okay, Ian. No, that's only Halloween when we dressed as a witch. The boys see that Halloween one when we did Halloween. Crikey. You can dry them if you want to, but I don't think they really need drying because they're going to get wet again in a second. Put them into there. Right, get some oil. Drizzle some oil on them. You might have another way of making them. I have this way of making them. So cover them, smother them in that oil. So get your hands in there. Clean hands, of course. I've washed my hands before we started. Smother them in that oil. Smothered, smothered, smothered. There you go. I'll just wash my hands again now I've done that. Now we'll take the fish out and have a look at the fish. See how big they are, what portion size they are. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad at all, that. That's going to go into the air fryer in a moment. What I'm going to do first is put the chips into the air fryer. Because these are going to take 20 minutes at 180. Let me just air fryer out. And I'll throw the chips in. Throw them in as they are. You're going to have a greasy air fryer at the end of this, so you're going to have to clean it. We'll make sure there's plenty of room. Stick it to the air fryer. 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Not forgetting to give them a toss now and then. They'll come more crispier. Stick it back in. There you go. Also with these, I'm going to have some mushy peas. It's a bachelor's mushy peas. It's not a shop brand for a change. I normally get a shop brand, don't I? But this is a cheap one. No, this is not cheap one. This is the best one. Bachelor's original mushy peas. Shop brands normally have a wrinkle on that. Doesn't have to use tin up there. But never mind. These chips are smelling good already. And I can smell this fish already as well. So after a few minutes, we're going to stick this fish in. That's got to go on for 16 minutes. Sorry, I've not got my other camera with me today. My other stand with me today. These chips are beginning to cook. We'll stand these charging up, so I'll show you like that. Okay, I'll turn the camera around so I can show you like that what's in the air fryer. I'm going to stick the fish in. There's the fish. Let's go into going for the rest of the time. And turn over halfway through. So that's halfway through, so let's turn it over and have a look. Let's take a look and then turn it over even. See how it's cooking. Let me turn the camera around for you. Right, there you go. That's cooking nicely. Yeah, it's cooking nice. Them chips are cooking nice as well. I'll turn it over. Give the chips another toss. Stick it back in. And then finish it off. While we're doing that, I'll open my peas, get a cup of tea. It will go nice with some bread, but we haven't got any bread, so we'll not bother. Let's get these bachelor's peas open. Bum, bum, bum. Not sure. I'm sure everybody knows what peas are like. As I say, I've not got me off a stand. I mean, I normally use my gimbal, but my gimbal's not charged up. So therefore, I can't use my gimbal today, but I can use it next time because I'll charge it for next time. There we go. Mushy peas, look at them, proper mushy peas. Get them in a pan. Get them in a pan. As many as we want. I'm going to get a spoon first. They don't want to come out then. They want to stay in the pan, in the tin. What they're not doing, they're coming out of the tin into the pan. There you go. So we'll get these cooking as well. These won't take long to warm up. Only a few minutes, so we'll not stick them on just yet. Am I going to have enough there? I think I've got enough there actually. The rest of them I'll put into a bowl and then I can have the rest tomorrow. If you put them in the fridge, they'll be alright. Maybe cover them up in the fridge as well, but it's going to be enough there for me, definitely. Some people could eat the whole lot. I'll tell you what, we'll just stick them all in. Stick them all in and we don't need to save them. Plenty of mushy peas there now. Right, that's it. There's a little bit left at the bottom, but that'll be fine for me. And then the air fryer went ping. So I'll take everything out. Let's get the fish out first. Oh, look at this. That is chunky. That is chunky fish in it. Look at that. That looks absolutely delicious. These chips look good as well. Homemade chips. Make a change from frozen ones. I'll use my fingers, it's easier. I'll just get this fish slice and do it like this. There we go, just the peas now. If not, got somebody a Christmas present this year. Perfect present would be and they've not got one, will be an air fryer. Because they'll never be without mine. I do use the oven sometimes, as you see on some recipes. I just go with what it says on the back of things now. Put the peas on. Oh, look, all those mushy peas. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look yummy? Oh, yes, it does. It looks so yummy. I'm going to turn it around so you can see the fish. I'm going to take a picture of that as well. Hang on a minute. I'm going to take a little screenshot of that. Do people still post screenshots of what they had for the tea to social media. It's been a big craze that once. Right, let's cut this fish open and have a look at the whiteness inside of it. Let me get a fork as well. Oh, yes. Look at the whiteness in that fish. Doesn't that look yummy? Does that look yummy to you? That looks yummy to me. Of course, the salt and vinegar. Don't forget your salt and vinegar. Put some on the fish as well, I think. Get some salt as well. Vinegar before the salt, don't forget. Because otherwise it washes the salt away if you do it the other way around. I'll show you one of these chips. Let's cut it in half. Yeah, gorgeous. So now let's taste the fish. You know, I forgot to put tomato ketchup on. I'm going to put tomato ketchup on it. I'm going to taste it first. A lot of people have tartar sauce with fish. I have tomato ketchup. Right, let's have a taste. Yeah, that fish is A1. Oh my goodness. 10 out of 10 for that. Definitely a 10 out of 10 for that one. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. Hope you've enjoyed. Get some of that fish, definitely. Get some down you. You'll enjoy it. Till next time, look after you. And yes, before I go, one added bonus. I know some that don't want that tomato sauce all over food. Hello, Dolly. This is for you. She'll be screaming at the telly now saying, don't put tomato sauce on that. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao for now again. Bye.